Hey guys, this is an explicit tutorial for our freshly released autonomous earning for institutional grade accounts. First, you need to have your business account verified. When you open the platform and press on Earn and Autonomous for Business, you will be asked to provide wallet address, company name, representative name, email and phone number. When you fill out all of the boxes and press on Submit, you have successfully sent your verification on-chain. The best part here is that when it's on-chain, the verification is approved almost immediately. Once this is done, you may proceed with the further steps. As usual, you should have your wallet connected. In order to invest, you need to fill out your name, the amount you'd like to deploy and select the period from the blue box menu. Once you fill out all of the requirements, simply click Invest. Approve the transactions through your wallet and it's all set and done. You have successfully deployed your funds. Thanks for watching, guys.